Welcome in the maths world. We are learning square root method, and in the last episode we have learned the square root of 3 digits. In this episode, we are finding the square root of 1,19,716. Here we have written in the same way 9716, and this is the first group. Here we have written 6 because the 11th figure comes between 3 square and 4 square. So double of this 3, that is 3 into 2, that is 6. Now in the last method what we have seen, for the first calculation we don't have to subtract anything from this gross digit, because from 11 we have deducted 3 square, that is 9. So remainder 2 carries forward, and the first quotient, that is 3, we have written here. Now 29 minus 0, because we don't have to subtract anything, that is 29. So 29 should be divided by 6. So 6 4s are 24. So what is the gross dividend now? Because 5 remainder prefixed to the 7. Now here we have to deduct the square of the quotient, that is 4 square, that is 16, has to be deducted from this 57. It comes to be 41, right? Now again we have to divide 41 by 6. 6 is the 36. Remainder 5 prefixes to the next digit, that is 1. Now here 3 groups are there. So our square root should be in the 3 digit. So we are here taken as a point. Now for next calculation, here we have taken the square of the last quotient. Now here we have to use Dvandva Yoga method, that is last 2 digits, 2 quotients, 4 into 6 into 2, that is 48. So we have to deduct here 48 from this. So gross dividend 51 by Dvandva Yoga method, 4 into 6 into 2, that is 48. Then 51 minus 48, that is what it comes, 3. So 3 divided by 6, it comes 0. Clear here? Now for the next procedure, here remainder goes to here. So gross dividend becomes 36. Then for next method, we have to deduct here the square of the second last quotient, that is 6. So 6 square, that is 36. So the net dividend comes to be 0. So here comes to be 0. So our answer of 1,19,716, the square root of 1,19,716 is 346. Just see again. We have put the figures like this. Then we have brought 6, that is 11 is between 3 and 4 squares. We have doubled the 3, we have written here 3. So basic procedure we have completed. Now for first calculation, we are not deducting anything from this gross dividend. So gross dividend becomes as a net dividend here. So we are dividing 29 by 6, comes to be 4, remainder comes to be 5. Here we are subtracting the square of this 4. That is minus 4 square, that is 16. So the net dividend comes to be 41. And again we have divided 41 by 6. That is 6 are 36. Remainder 5. Here we have put the dot for the next decimal points. Here from gross dividend 51. First we have taken the square. Then we have to use here Dvandva Yoga method or the duplex method, that is 4 into 6, this is 2 quotients, into 2, that is 48. So net dividend is 3. Now 3 divided by 6, that is 0. Remainder 3 carries forward. Here what we are going to do, first square, deducting square, then duplex method, then again square. Now here we are deducting the square of 6, that is 36. So automatically net dividend comes to be 0. So answer is 0. So our square root of 1,19,760 is 346. Right? So students, we have here learned the square root of 2 digits, 4 digits, like that you can carry out by taking many examples. And for now, for the next episode, you subscribe this channel. Thanks a lot.